What's going on, family? Welcome back to another YouTube video. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys what $386,000 can get you here in Celina, Texas. As usual, I want to start you off from the front, show you guys a little bit of the neighborhood, and then take you guys inside. This interior, it's really good. It's really gonna blow your mind. So, all right, so we're pretty. As you guys can see in the street, so right across the street, still empty lots. Right here, this is gonna be the home, a pretty tall home. And you guys, it might be windy right now, so I apologize for that. I'm gonna get inside as quick as possible. But you have some really good distance in between your neighbors. This is actually my client's home. We were able to get it for $386,000. We got our closing costs covered. We got amazing interest rates and an amazing home. One of the cool things about this one that it comes in an oversized lot that you guys are gonna see in here a couple minutes. And please keep in mind, this is gonna be a 4-bed, 3 full baths, about 2,600 square feet in Celina, Texas, with an amazing Celina school district. So for all of you guys that just starting out, that need to find some really good schools, check out Celina. If you go on sale right now, Celina is really expensive. Most homes start above 500 or so. So you have to do your research really good in order to find deals like this. All right, so this is gonna be the dining area, and then that's gonna be your living room. This one's gonna come in with open railing, which I'm a huge fan of. And the ceilings are gonna be about 18-foot ceilings. So this is gonna be the entrance where we just came from. Right to your left, you're gonna find the first bedroom, which is gonna have the windows to the exterior, which is to the front of the home. And it's gonna have a good sized closet here. Good sized closet. You can actually walk into that closet. This is gonna be the primary, just the secondary bathroom, which is, you could be just for guests. So this little area could be a good office or just like a guest bedroom, whatever you guys want to use it for. This is gonna be the space underneath the staircase. So for those of you guys that just need extra storage, or just like, I would personally use that for like, maybe like a little doggy room, probably poke a little hole there and make a little doggy door, and that could be their own little spot. To our right, we're gonna be able to find the 2-car garage. This one, it's a little bit bigger than most common 2-car garage. You're gonna have about 2 to 3 extra feet. So it would be about 22 by 20. Here, we're gonna find the water shutoff for the entire home. We're gonna find the tankless water here. And we're gonna find the sprinkler system. That's gonna be pretty much included with the purchase of the home. All right, so I'm coming back again. As you guys can see, this is gonna be the nice kitchen. It's actually oversized. Usually for this price point, there's smaller kitchens, but with this one, you actually get a little bit more counter space. Even on that side as well. Perfect for like a little coffee bar. Let's check out the pantry. See how big that is. Yeah, it's not a bad size. You can actually walk in there. Not a bad size at all. And this is another view. And it's still gonna come with the dishwasher. All right, so let me show you, before we go upstairs, let me show you what's on this side. So on this side, we're gonna find the second bedroom. So far, there's the first bedroom that we just walked. This one's gonna be the primary bedroom. And right outside of your primary bedroom, you're gonna have your nice laundry room. So pretty spacious. I would pretty much put the washer dryer there, and you can still put like a little iron table here, which it gives you more than enough space. And it gives you pretty much space to hang your clothes or to dry them. This is gonna be the primary bedroom. This one's gonna be a good size, so you can fit a king size with no problem. And you're gonna have a nice view to your backyard, which I'm gonna show you guys here in a couple minutes. This is gonna be the primary bathroom, 2 sinks, real nice. You're gonna have some storage closets here, some storage space. You're gonna have your tile shower. And okay, it's gonna come with the nice nice little sitting area there. Okay, it also comes in with a secluded toilet room, which that's just gonna be private. And check out this is gonna be the closet space. Closet space is gonna be a good size still, pretty decent size. And of course they have the ladder going out to the attic because this is where the entrance is at. I want to show you guys what it looks like right now is to show you guys the type of insulation that they're adding into these homes, which is the spray foam insulation. That can save you a lot of money in your electricity bills. Okay, so let's go out. I want to show you guys this backyard because this backyard's so nice for this price point, of course. All right, one more view. All right, so, and again, guys, this is still under construction. It's not fully finished, so you're gonna see some trash, which is that's not what the clients are gonna get. All right, so here we're gonna have a nice patio with a gas drop. So you could pretty much put the grill here and then the rest here. But as you guys can see, this is a really, really good sized backyard. They don't make them like this anymore. Sadly, they don't. So this one, since it is on an oversized lot, that's why it's actually this long. Usually, that would be about 10 to 15 feet shorter. So this is what it looks like. Perfect for all the pets. I have 3 dogs, so that would make it a really good space. My dogs are small, so they wouldn't need much of this, but some of you guys might have some large size dogs, and those definitely need some more space or some more walking. See, I like this. Even like you can just come in and just get the grand feel. Real nice, real nice. All right, so let me take off my shoes before we go upstairs. That way I don't get the carpet dirty. A lot of you guys always some people are like, hey, why do you wear shoes inside the house? Most of these homes, guys, are still not fully sold. Like my clients, they have it under contract still, so it's not occupied, so no one's really living in it. Usually what the builders do, they usually clean these homes out for you guys before you move in. Beautiful game room. Beautiful, beautiful, spacious game room. Now, I want to talk to you guys a little bit more about the numbers, break down those numbers to you guys. So this one came out to around $386,000. The buyers were able to get a 3.99 rate with the builder as part of an incentive. And that pretty much put the monthly payment close to $2,800 a month. And that pretty much comes already with taxes, insurance, private mortgage insurance, and that's just putting the minimum down payment, which was around $14,000 to $15,000. So that's only for first-time buyers. So if you're an investor, that just definitely not for you. It's only for first-time buyers using the FHA. Now, that would be the only downside to it. But for my clients that were first-time buyers, this is a perfect starter home. And still keeps the payment around $27,000 to $28,000, which most rents right now, they're about $2,300 for a 2-bedroom. So this is going to be the bedroom number 3. Pretty spacious bedroom. This would be a good size. Just like for guests, these are going to be 2 more rooms. This is gonna be one of the smallest rooms, in my opinion. This could be like a good office setup. It's all the way tucked in the corner of the home, but it's still nice. And this one would be a little bit bigger. And on most of these bedrooms, you can definitely fit a queen size. A lot of people always ask me that, Rico, can I fit a queen size on those bedrooms? You most definitely can, but it pretty much all goes related with the square footage of the home. So it's a good sized closet as well there. But yeah, it just relates more to the square footage of the home. Bigger square footage homes usually come with bigger square feet all around the house. But for this one, you guys, I definitely think this is an amazing deal. I haven't seen them being this low anymore. If you guys are interested, you're gonna I'm gonna drop the link, I'm gonna drop the Calendly link where you can use that to book your appointment, and that way we can help you out and bring you out here, go over everything with you, go over the process, go over the numbers. Right now, you guys in this economy have to look at the numbers now more than ever. The reason I tell you guys this, because economies can go up or down, but your monthly payment, you have to make sure that that's going to be the right fit for you. A lot of people are just buying based on the house, they're buying based on the looks. But let me tell you guys, the dopamine hit that you get whenever you buy your first house is eventually going to go away. You know what doesn't go away? It's your monthly payment. So if we can fit your monthly payment around a good amount where you want to be, same thing as well. My clients, they were like, well, we want to be under $3,000 a month. So I'm like, hey, I got the perfect home for you guys. So feel free to reach out. I will be more than happy to help you guys out.